Hello everyone, thank you for joining, and today I'm going to show you why you should be working with our company. So not only do we specialize on custom website designs, but we also specialize on search engine optimization. So this was one of our customers that is basically getting a lot of organic traffic from Google, and this is high ticket items by the way as well. And he basically just hired us to do SEO once again on his website because there are certain keywords that he used to rank number 1 or number 6 or number 9 or lost the rankings on the first page because of heavy competition. So now we are going to bring him back to number 1 position and get him a lot more clicks and impressions. Also, I'm going to take you guys on a trip because I'm doing a case study on one of my web design websites, or it's the brother company, which is webdesignhubz.com, and it's a new website, new company, and I'm going to take you guys on a journey with me on how I rank my websites to number 1. As you see, we're barely getting traffic from Google. This is when I just opened up the website. The Googles were a little interested, doing a little testing, but then you see it kind of died down. No impressions, which means no clicks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a lot of search engine optimization on this website, and I'm going to post the process on YouTube so you guys can come on the journey with me. I don't use my customer websites. I have a lot of case studies, but every time I ask my customer to publish it so you guys could see the results or how we do things, they always afraid of competition, that the competition is going to see. And so therefore I decided to open up a new company and show you guys the process of the search engine optimization. It's almost guaranteed that you will get a bunch of keywords for free, right? So this company has over 1,000 keywords, and who knows how many keywords are ranking on the first page, just too many, right? So this is basically the process. We try to make every single company to be an authority within their field. I don't care what you do. I want to make your website the most informational as possible. I don't put out any fluff information just to put out some text on a website. Every single thing that I put on every website, it is basically structured and it is informational. So everything people see on the website, it is always going to be informational, right? And also, we also specialize in dynamic content, which means that you have content that basically is dynamic, right? A lot of features with carousels, and it's not just, so imagine this four sections on a website would be a long 4 sections. So what we do is we try to create dynamic content to keep the aesthetics up, and it's nice organizing people, and it's also people get a rush when they just switch tabs and it switches. This basically provides good user experience for every customer. Also, you see the portfolio slides. Everything we have slide. All right. We have animated buttons. You see everything on our website slides. With other web design companies, what they would do is they would basically stack one up on top of each other, and you would just be scrolling forever. All right. We create websites that actually rank on Google, and they also are very aesthetically pleasing. So we take pride in our work. Join me on this journey. I'm going to create a lot more videos, whether you're a web designer yourself or you're just a customer that is wondering how to elevate your business. Just follow my journey, or if you just want to cut through all of this, just give me a call and I'll take care of all of your search engine optimization. Even if you have a website, you don't need to get a web design service from me. You could just ask me to do search engine optimization on your current website. Doesn't matter platform. Yeah, this is basically invest in your business for the long run. You will never be sustainable business unless you get customers for free from Google. Instead of paying thousands upon tens of thousands of dollars to Google every month, you couldn't take 1 month's budget and invest on a search engine optimization expert, and you're going to be set for the next 2 to 3 years. Your business is going to continuously grow for free from that one-time investment. So if you want short term, you do ads. If you want long-term success, you should invest on search engine optimization. And I'm going to use my own website to show you guys what I do and how I do it. I just fill up information. I look up on Google here also. This is Google Keywords Planner. So this is where I get my keywords from. So for example, I want to rank for web design. It gets around 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches. So if I wanted to pay Google to do advertising for me, it would cost me $5 to $24 per click. That's per click. And also they charge you for impressions. Even if people don't click on your ad, you still pay for it, right? And on top of it, when they click, this is the amount. So if you have high competition, you're going to pay the higher amount. And it tells you here the competition level. So I take a bunch of these keywords and I spread them out through my website, and I get these keywords for free. I no longer have to pay thousands upon thousands of dollars to get customers and leads from Google. And also, just so you know, you get viewers from two sources. You get it from Google search, and then you also get from